you do when those whose hearts have been taken over by hatred come for you.
The cinematic scenes that you just saw were created by this completely new and wild AI filmmaking tool called Higgsfield Cinema Studio, and it is completely transforming the way cinematic videos are created. Higgsfield Cinema Studio finally enables you to produce stunning Hollywood-style cinematic videos in just a few minutes, and not some AI slop. This tool delivers truly professional-grade results with minimal effort. And the best part, you don't need advanced editing skills or complex workflows. Now, to use this tool, you need to come to the official website of Higsfield AI. And from here, you are just going to click this button, Cinema Studio, to enter this tool, and you are going to see something like this. Now here, as you can see, they have given us some examples of how this tool works and what you can do with it, like turning images into videos, controlling camera movements, or even using start and end frames to create cinematic masterpieces like this. And you can also use this tool to generate different camera angles really easily. Now first, I'm going to show you how you can use it. Now here is the prompt box, and here you can generate images and videos simultaneously. Now first, let's look at the images option. So I am just going to write this prompt. Create a picture of a woman in neon lighting in a cyberpunk city, make it very cinematic. Now after writing the prompt, you can choose the quality or the resolution on which you are going to generate the image. So you can choose the 1K quality for fast generation, or you can choose the 4K quality for ultra high detail images. So I am just going to choose the 4K quality here. And you can even choose the batch size of the image. So you can generate up to 4 images simultaneously with one prompt, but I am just going to keep it at 1 right now. And if you click this button, you are going to be able to use the main feature of this tool, which is the ability to select different cameras like Sony Venice or IMAX film camera. And you can even choose the different types of lenses here. Now these lenses are all pretty expensive, and you can even choose the focal length of the camera. Now this feature here, I think, gives you the ultimate control as to how your images look, and takes AI images from something you generate for fun to a professional quality image. Now for this specific image, I am going to choose the IMAX film camera, and for the lenses, I am going to choose Cooke S4, and I am going to keep the focal length at 24. Now, let's see what kind of image this tool generates. And this is the image that the tool has created. And as you can see, this image is quite good. Now, this image right here looks a little bit blurry because the website is not loading this image in full. So I am just going to download this image. Now, as you can see, after downloading the image, we truly get to experience the 4K resolution here. Just look at the skin texture of the character and how good and natural it feels. Even the reflection of the neon lights on the jacket of the character looks very natural. And overall, this is a very cinematic image generation. And this image right here can be used in a pretty high quality cinematic production, because there is no way you can tell that this is an AI generated image because everything just looks so natural. Now, let's try the image upload feature of Higgsfield Cinema Studio. So here you can upload the picture of any character. So I just uploaded the picture of an elf woman here, and I am just going to prompt the tool here saying something. Generate the picture of this character wearing a Christmas costume under a Christmas tree. And the tool is going to be able to generate that image really, really well. And I am also going to show you how you can use this tool to generate multiple camera angles. All right, as you can see, this is the image that the tool has generated from our character. And as you can see, it was able to keep our character completely consistent with the same facial features and even with the same skin texture. And this image just feels much more natural and realistic than any other AI tool. Now, let me show you how you can use this tool to generate a plethora of multiple image angles from a single prompt. So I am just going to upload another picture of an Instagram model that I generated, and just give the AI tool this prompt. Generate a 3x3 grid of this character showing the specific character from multiple different camera angles. And as you can see, the AI model has created an image of our character from different camera angles. And all of these image sections here are in really high quality and look like they were taken in a professional photo shoot. Now you can just use this image and plug it into an AI model to create a stunning video of your AI generated model from different angles or from different scenes. So using this type of prompting, you can create a whole storyboard. So this was also a really good generation. Now let me just quickly show you how you can use this tool to generate really cool videos. So after coming to the video section, you can use many different features, like selecting the camera movement or selecting the duration of your video. And you can also use the start and end frame feature here. So for the start frame here, I am just going to use the image of the elf girl that we created earlier. And then I am just going to prompt the AI model something like, create a video of the character walking, holding the Christmas gift. And after writing a really good prompt like this, I am just going to select a camera movement from all these options. And for this, I am just going to select the orbit around camera movement. And I'm going to keep the duration as 5 seconds, and I will also keep the audio on. And I can turn on or off slow motion. Now, if you turn slow motion off, then the movement of the video is going to be obviously much faster, but for a cinematic effect, I am going to keep the slow motion on for this specific video generation. And I am also going to keep the batch size at 1. Now, let's generate the video. And this is the video that the tool has created. And as you can see, this video is in slow motion, and it is in really high quality. And we can see the elf girl walking. And we can also see the dolly camera movement that I selected. So overall, this was a really good video generation, and the sound quality here is also very cinematic. Now let's test the first frame and last frame feature. So I am just going to upload this picture of a young man, and then this picture of an old man here, and give the AI model a prompt like, make a video of the young man turning into an old man. And I also need to tell you that when using the first frame and last frame feature, you cannot select camera movement or sound. So that is only for image to video and text to video. You can only select the duration and the batch size. So I am also going to keep the duration here at 5 seconds and batch size at 1. Let's run the prompt and see what kind of video we get. And this is the video the tool has created of the man turning into an old man. And as you can see, the first frame and the last frame feature here also works really, really well. And this was an amazing transformation. And the CGI effect here is also very cinematic. So overall, this tool is great if you want to actually take your AI videos from something you do for fun to something which is cinematic studio quality and can actually rival Hollywood movies. So you should definitely use this tool. Now that's about it for the whole video. So see you in the next one.